Ready, start. Common issues arise for consideration in these writ petitions. Therefore, they have been heard together and are being disposed of by this common judgment. Since the pleadings are complete in WP in bracket C number 24264 oblique 07 and notice has been taken out by publication as well, I will refer to the said writ petition as the leading case. The petitioners commenced service as head constables, having been appointed pursuant to a special recruitment. They were advised on 23/6/1980 and after completion of training they joined duty. They were included in the select list for promotion to the post of Assistant Sub Inspector of Police after being considered by the Departmental Promotion Board. They were promoted on a regular basis. They were promoted as sub inspector by Exhibit P5 series orders and their probation was declared as per Exhibit P6 series orders. While so, Exhibit P7 range-wise seniority list as on 11/1/2003 was published on 9/11/2004. The same was finalized WP in bracket C number 24264 oblique 07 and cases under Exhibit P8. According to the petitioners, after Exhibit P8 final range-wise seniority list, the annual confidential reports were called for as per Exhibit P21 for considering them for the post of circle inspectors. While so, Exhibit P9 statewide provisional seniority list of sub-inspectors was published for the period from 1/1/1998 to 31/12/2002. There were some objections against Exhibit P10, but by and large the petitioners were not aggrieved by the Exhibit P10. By Exhibit P11, the Inspector General of Police revoked Exhibit P8 statewide seniority list without notice to the petitioners. Taking note of Exhibit P11, Exhibit P12, statewide provisional seniority list of sub-inspectors were published. This was including persons who were promoted, appointed as sub-inspectors as on 31/12/2002. The petitioners did not find a place in Exhibits P11 and P12. Therefore, as against Exhibit P12, and they filed Exhibit P13 and P14 representations. The objections were not accepted and was finalized under Exhibit P15 final statewide seniority list of sub-inspector as on 31/12/2002. Exhibit P15 was challenged before this court, but the petitioners were directed to prefer applications under Rule 27B of the WP in bracket C number 24264 oblique 07 and cases number Kerala State and Subordinate Services Rules 1958, for short the rules, before the government, which the petitioners did as per Exhibit P16 in bracket A. The same has been rejected under Exhibit P22 order passed by the government. The petitioners essentially challenged Exhibit P22 order. They also challenged Exhibit P11 provisional range-wise seniority list, Exhibit P12 statewide provisional seniority list and Exhibit P15 final seniority list as well. Exhibit P18 and P19 are the provincial range-wise seniority list for the period subsequent to 31/12/2002, and they have also been challenged in these writ petitions. Though the petitioners find a place in Exhibit P18 and P19, according to them, they should have been included in the final state-wide seniority list Exhibit P12, which was later finalized under Exhibit P15. The whole dispute as such has arisen under the circumstances which can briefly be summarized as follows. The method of appointment to the post of sub-inspectors contemplate. The counter affidavit has been filed on behalf of the Director General of Police. The stand taken by the respondents is that no doubt the petitioners were promoted in the year 2000 under Exhibit P5 series, but such promotions were only provincial. Petitioners are entitled to be regularized in WPC number 2426407, the post of Assistant Sub-Inspector, only with reference to the date of occurrence of the vacancies in the 50% quota, and therefore the provisional promotions affected were in excess of 50% quota. Therefore, they cannot be regularized in service with reference to the date of commencement of provisional service as such. The declaration of probation as such cannot result in the quota rule being violated in the matter of regularization of services of the petitioners. Direct recruits are entitled to reckon their seniority with reference to the first effective advice under Rule 27C of the rules. This alone has been followed while drawing up Exhibit P15. The third proviso to Rule 27A has been misunderstood by the petitioners. I heard Mr. Venugopal Nair and Mr. Babu Joseph, learned counsel for the petitioners, and the learned senior counsel and senior government pleader on behalf of the respondents. Stop.